Hey, my name is Chris Graves, and I'm in an old hayfield. You can see it's an old hayfield, got a lot of broom sedge. As you can see, it's February, and the broom sedge is real obvious, but what you really don't see, probably, is the base of this field is primarily tall fescue. So the tall fescue has arrested succession here. We want to restore this into native early successional vegetation, and today we're going to do a prescribed burn. And it'll be a site prep burn, site preparation for an herbicide application that we're going to do later. And then after that herbicide application, hopefully we can eradicate as much tall fescue as possible and see what plants respond from the seed bank. Okay, so here we are again. I'm going to light the test fire to get started, and seems like it's going to be a good burn day based on the fire weather forecast. And we're back here in this field. It's April 1st, and we did a site preparation burn, so a site prep controlled burn in this field on February 25. So now it's April 1st. You can see there are a variety of plants coming up in this field, but primarily tall fescue. And tall fescue is green as a gourd. And ultimately what we want to do now is use this drone herbicide sprayer, and we're going to apply imazapic. That's the active ingredient in some herbicides such as Plateau and Panoramic. And we're going to spray then this field to try to control the tall fescue and release the desirable plants, particularly the forbs, and we'll see how it goes. So this herbicide, the active ingredient is imazapic, and it is a selective herbicide, so it will control some, primarily the undesirable or problematic species, but then it won't injure or control a lot of the native species that we're shooting for in a place like this. Another thing to mention is it's soil active. So it is active in the soil for a period of time. So for example, if you apply 8 ounces to the acre or 12 ounces to the acre, for each ounce you get about a week control. So 8 ounces per acre, you're going to control or suppress a lot of the undesirable species such as Johnson grass for an 8-week period. At 12 ounces per acre, then you're going to control species such as Johnson grass for 12 weeks. And we selected imazapic because Johnson grass is a problem in this field in addition to the tall fescue.